Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a makeup with full face drugstore products. Everything is affordable, everything that we love, and yeah, it's going to be my morning easygoing makeup. Of course, there are maybe a little bit more products that I would normally use on daily basis. Let's say a highlighter or some, mascara. Very often I don't do this in the morning. It's more a relaxed style, but I want to kind of show all the products that I very often use on daily basis, and everything is from the drugstore. Now, the only thing, okay, I think I'm gonna do like this. My hair, I don't want it loose. The only cheat is here, the prep and the makeup fixer is going to be by Charlotte Tilbury, her AirBrush Flawless Setting Spray. I don't have the spray or prep from a drugstore. I used to have, but I finished and I didn't buy new because I think this is a very important step in your makeup. I really think that depending on how you prep your skin or how you set your skin, makeup, the look of your makeup depends on. So yeah, here it is. The only thing is this. The rest all drugstore. Now I will normally start with concealer, and this is NYX the Fix ProFix stick. I'm going to zoom concealer. I'm going to zoom myself a little bit. And now, because I like to use first the concealer, it gives a little bit like I conceal things a little bit, and then I use less whatever foundation I have. This is very important, the nose, because I feel like especially in colder months we have running nose very often and it just gets red here. So always make sure I cover. Now this, and of course we're gonna use the Max Factor, my new discovery, new in this summer, Miracle Touch Cream and into Liquid Foundation. I already showed it to you many times, but now I'm going to use it. So look, it's going to be soon in heating pan or the empties. I didn't do heating pan for a long time, I think, like pretty much over maybe 2 years. I didn't do heating pan. I think it's the good start, no? Because I have products that I heat pan on, but I cannot really put it into empties. So, especially like makeup, it's very hard. Now, you see, maybe I just touched 2 times and my whole face, I absolutely, like this is my favorite. But you know what is really tempting? Oh yeah, I'm gonna just talk about other products. Tempting very much to buy new Christian Dior foundation stick. I'm gonna post it here, the one that I really want. Probably gonna get, look, I'm gonna finish this soon and then we'll buy Christian Dior. I don't buy anymore a lot of makeup. Like if I have this, I'm finishing it. I don't have anything similar, like I don't have any stick foundations. Like, this kind of that easy to apply, like Lancome that I used to have. I loved it a lot. So here it is. And we're going to powder. Pressed powder number 7. It broke the other day. So, but I am still using it, like, it was a lot of powder. I'm going to use it. I cannot take it with me in my purse, but I don't see the problem of using this powder if it just stands on my table and I don't have to move it anywhere. I'm not gonna throw away basically the full powder. Like, it's, I mean, it's not new, but it's I still can probably use it for a year. Now, very lightly, I'm going to use this by Physician Formula Ultra Glow. It's sort of a contouring, but for me it's like contouring bronzer. I've been using it every day. The only thing I'm thinking about this product, it's not too much product here, because I'm not using it. Just gonna also put a little bit on my nose. I don't really use it that long, and it's like, okay, I don't do it every day. I use here, but I don't really go all, like, I don't really need it, but I'm gonna use it today just to show you how this product can work. It's so buttery. Look, it took me what, 5 seconds? And I go with, like, for me it's not like, actually I prefer to take the smaller brush when I'm doing with the big brush. So I do like this. It's contour and bronzer all at once. So I probably don't need the bronzer contouring here because I have already very narrow forehead, but it's just for the fact that it's like gives you some sun-kissed complexion. This is it. I'm using my Rimmel stick. This is Lip and Cheek stick. Lip and Cheek, yeah. This color, I'm addicted. Later I'm actually gonna use on my lips. Oh, I prepped my lips with this Vaseline cacao butter. Really liking it. I use it actually also just like a moisturizer, even for the night. Look at this. How fresh your face looks like. Looks like? What am I saying? I don't know. This is in Pink Hit. Really, really good. I'm addicted. It's perfect. A little bit here. Now, eyeshadows, right? Yes. We're gonna finish up later. I'm using this Maybelline pot. This is the Revlon in chocolate. Loving it so much. To just trying to find the brush. It looks very dark on a pot, but it's not. Where's the brush? I'm gonna use this, but normally I use another brush. This is Urban Decay, you know, they're double angled. And it has a very nice taupey color. Just I literally just shape kind of around my eye. Now, by the way, I just wanted to take another brush, and it's actually from Primark. This is such a good brush. I was so surprised. And it's called Flat Blender and Smudged Brush. Now, I use it all the time. I really like this one. This side of the brush, it's very good under the eye, on your lower eyelash. Anyway, even the brush, I kind of managed to have at drugstore. Anyway, now we continue with this eye, but basically this is it. This is my eyeshadows. And we do the same with this eye. Like literally nothing much. I really like this shade. You know, it's very difficult, not very difficult, but sometimes for me it can be or too gray or too purple or too pink with these eyeshadows, but this one is exactly the shade that I like on myself, and I feel like it, okay, just checking the battery, I feel like it suits my eye color. Now I will a little bit use the eyeliner. It's by Dermaco. You know, I was talking about this. Makeup line is Czech, and they actually do their products in Germany, so this is a good thing. I just apply a little bit of line here, but I don't do it as of like a wing, just here and a little bit along the eyelash, but just literally to the middle a little bit. That's that, just to make my eyes a bit like pop up, like a little bit like darkening on the sides. That's it. And in the morning it's very easy, like it's so fast. Now I didn't just, something that I always do in the beginning of my makeup is the brows. This is the Catrice, the glue brow sculpting, whatever. Also I use it every day, and yeah, I've been using it for 1.5 months, and it's going to its end. So also I feel like, I don't know, should last more, no? Brow gel? I don't know. I mean, no, it's still a lot here, okay? It's fine. Now, and that's actually, I'm going to use already the mascara. Always Lash Princess by Catrice. I mean, it doesn't get, at least for my eyelashes, I don't know. Obviously, we all have, you know, mascara is a very personal thing. I just do it on the sides and that's it. Okay. Normally, I don't do my lower eyelashes because it's just too much for me. What we are doing, okay, a little bit of highlighter, just to like in the middle of the eye. I'm gonna show you. I didn't show you what I used. Actually, this is yeah, it's a highlighter. It's Revolution, their pink luster, very good highlighter. I'm gonna use it now on my cheeks, but before that I want to use a little bit of this blush by Loreal. Okay, I really want to kind of set the cream blush. The color, they suit so well, these both. It's just like the same color but in powder. Loving it. Like seriously, this is like cool toned, both. And we do the lips. I do with the same, because we can use it. I really smudge it and make it like very like this, very pastel-y. And I'm going to use, before I forget, I'm just gonna use this on my cheeks, okay? because I feel like I'm kind of like running amok all over my face with all this product. I don't really do it very like in order, but okay, doesn't matter. How do you do your makeup? You also like here and there, you forget this, you fix that. The brows, we get back to the lips later, because I'm using NYX their Lift and Snatch only in the beginning and a little bit in the ends. In the day I keep my eyebrows very naturally, like almost like, yeah, love this product. You don't need anything else. I mean, of course you need to find your color, but I think NYX has like all the colors for every eyebrows color. Now, NYX lip liner in mauve. Gonna line my lips a little bit here. Well, here, where else? Now, just the sides, a little bit in the middle, and a little bit here. I don't go too much like overlining or anything. That's it. And I'm going to add Essence lip oil in pink champagne. Really liking it. I use it a lot. Here it is. Our glossy lips. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Now look, this is the day makeup. Depending, can be evening makeup for some. It's very light. I think it's very light, very fresh. I'm just gonna keep my hair like this. It's very light, it's fresh, and all drugstore makeup available for everyone. And the last thing is this perfume by Massimo Dutti. I know I showed it last year. I think I used it only this much. I used it like maybe 1 month, and now I'm getting back to it because it's just so nice. It's White Tulip and Barley. Unfortunately, I don't know if they still have it in, sorry, if they still have it in the shops, but anyhow, it's very nice, fresh, and a little bit, actually it's something like spring-like, but it can be anything. In autumn it's also very nice, especially if you have a sunny climate. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.